ready? Okay, let us begin. So the topic of our third and final round is all about is mathematics discovered or invented? So Team A and Team B will present or state your main argument. Starting with Team A.
Let's go, Sarge!
Good morning, everyone. Today we stand firm on the belief, on the claim that mathematics is discovered, because the world is filled with universal truths, and they are just waiting for us to discover them. And we believe that there is invention because there is discovery.
Good morning, everyone. We firmly believe that mathematics is invented. Why? Because mathematics is a language we designed to observe and make sense of the world around us. This is designed, mathematics is designed to solve problems, not just mathematical problems, but also trade, science, technology, and other forms that involves mathematics.
Team A, what can you say about their stand?
Hello. We firmly believe that mathematics is discovered because, as again stated by Ms. Chatty, we cannot invent if we did not discover. So it matters most on who achieved first, because we cannot be impactful without the discoveries that we have in this world. For example, when we cook rice, sometimes in a traditional way or back in the old times, we use our hands as measurements because we just merely discovered it without any invented material. So that is why we tried measuring the rice from the way we cook from our hands. So we discovered it first before we invented. And the moment that we discovered that hands are usable in cooking, that is why we invented different measurements, such as rulers and other tape measures. So that is why we firmly believe that it was discovered first before it was invented. So if there is no discovery, no invention. And in terms of mathematical, 2 plus 2 will always be 4. It is not that tomorrow we can invent another solution that 2 plus 2 will equal to 5. 2 plus 2 will always be equal to 4. Nothing more and nothing less.
How about for Team B? You cannot defend your stand.
49. Plus, nag-anak pa ka.
So we believe that mathematics is discovered. Let's have an example in nature. In nature, we have these Fibonacci sequence where flowers and other natural creatures or such as flowers are there. We did not invent nature. We are simply here with lucky species which discovered mathematics. We did not invent mathematics.
We believe that the things in this universe has truths and we only discover them. And that is why we are able to create inventions in science and even in technology, because these fields include mathematics.
Now for Team B's turn.
So, for us, good morning, everyone. So, language is invented by human being. Mathematics is a language. Therefore, language doesn't exist on its own nature. For example, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Who named it 2? The number 2. Who named it number 2? So without human being, mathematics is not doesn't exist, right? So for example, as Mr. Ronald Tabayag said, the invention and the discovery of hands, right? So, without human being, makasagot pa that is a hand, right? Oh. So, for me, as our team, we believe that mathematics is not discovered, but invented. So that's all, thank you.
Mathematics is invented, and it is not discovered. Although it is the truth, mathematics is the truth, but the truth isn't floating everywhere. You cannot see any negative number in the air. You cannot see any zero number in nature. Fibonacci sequence is invented, and that is mathematics.
Let's go, Harvard! Let's go, Harvard!
We support this that mathematics was invented rather than discovered. Because mathematics were purely discovered, it would have existed fully from the beginning. But now, new maths like calculus, century, and probability were created or invented by us for instances. So, therefore, mathematics was invented with the help of humans powered by their creative minds.
Okay, now you must now defend your stance.
But we have to always remember that before we label a particular thing, we feel it first. Before we love someone, we feel it first that we really love them. Before you can label that she is my partner or she is my lover, I feel it first. So for example, we lead back to the ancient times from Adam and Eve. The sole purpose why God created another or a woman, it is because for a woman to assist the man. For example, it is about the hair of Adam. So it is Eve who counted. So first, it is to be discovered because I cannot simply label a thing or I cannot simply name a thing without feeling it first, without sensing it first. So it first in hand, you should use your senses by simply discovering it, by insight, the idea that you came in mind. So I cannot say anything if my mind is empty. Remember that.
You're saying that because we already know that discovery is that things existed without the human being. Then the invention existed with human being, right? With the human beings already existed. So you're saying that since the human being is already there with your statement, so how will you feel it and how will you say that mathematics is discovered without the human being, right? So how will you say that mathematics is discovered without human being?
So we all know that human being is not an invention, rather it is creation. So to add on that, I would like to go back to, you said that it is not a discovery because it is an invention because it is simply floating around us. If it is simply floating around us, then what did we do to invent such? We did discovery first before we invent. So it is clear that mathematics is discovered first rather than invented.
I would like to answer the opposed statements with regards to Miss Ernita Lobong's statement, where Fibonacci sequence is evident or is in nature, and then for Mr. Ronald, it means that universal understanding. Let's say, if mathematics is discovered, you said that universal understanding. Then why did civilizations create their own systems to like, for the Mayans, they used B20, and then the other civilizations use other systems to make. If it is a universal understanding, then there could be only one understanding or one definition for that portion, right? And then for Miss Ernita Lubong, well, if it is nature, then it is natural. How did we came up with the Fibonacci sequence if Fibonacci himself did not invent the concept or Fibonacci sequence? If we do not invent it, then it would just be merely a simple natural phenomenon.
Which is why it is a discovery, because Fibonacci did not name them, but he labeled them as such. But it has always been present, even in nature. So they cannot easily label it as Fibonacci sequence before not even discovering it. So they label it as Fibonacci sequence because they discovered its characteristics. So how can you call that as Fibonacci sequence if you did not discover its elements, its characteristics, its formula, and its criteria? So I cannot say that it is a Fibonacci sequence if I did not discover at first that it is an element that it can follow, so on and so forth. So again, we as humans as we are, the universal truths are existed already in this world. It is us humans who discovered it with our senses, with the way we see, the way we hear, the way we taste. So I can label the taste of ice cream as sweet if I did not taste it first. So that, di ba, make sense?
Ngayon ka nga, di-discover ko na. Usawan pag-level ni Fibonacci, huwag sabihin mo ang numbers ng una. Diba? Discover na. Yun sa mga pag-level na, kasi gigamit sa Fibonacci sequence, mga numbers. Then how did he label them without numbers. So therefore, he invented numbers first before labeling it. He got it. Therefore, discover uninterpreted text, what he discovered everything was. So therefore, invention, I invented numbers. Therefore, he labeled and he came up with a Fibonacci sequence, which then led to invention and then invention. Numbers first, then the concept is like the Fibonacci sequence itself.
So usawa mo pag-label as kanina bayi is only one lang kung wala siya, di ba? So di ba makayon ko nga,
what you're telling is that those phenomena, the patterns, are only patterns, right? Those are only patterns. Without mathematics being invented, we cannot say or we cannot label things, those patterns, as Fibonacci sequence. Those patterns are only linear patterns without mathematics. By that saying, mathematics is invented because we narrow those patterns down word. So when our Chinese saying it is a start where those patterns are already defined by the human beings using numbers, where numbers are part of mathematics.
Daog na mo daha.
So their answer is like so their answer is like agreeing unto us because we again we cannot say that it's Fibonacci without its characteristics. So how can I say that I am in love with someone when I did not feel it, when I did not sense it that I am in love with someone? So again, for example, the iPhone series, di ba? Di man na maka-reach og 17, iPhone 17, kuha dyan ka magsugod sa pinakaunan na yung nani ang nindot nga design. So tungod kayo ning discover ka, pag the moment ka discover ka, anong-anong na pinagmutuban, mo nang dili ka na sa invention. So hindi ka ma-invent kung wala ka maka-discover na ang nani ay yung nindot na design sa isang iPhone. Innovation passes through time, but discovery label it first.
So, I would like to go back sa imong Mr. Ronald Garina. Nakita niyo mo si Miss Chati, si Jausa, and then si Ernita Putusa, yung mga yung kagduha. Now, situation na, uskali ko katao. Mas, kaya ito mga tao, you multiply ito 0. Kasi answer 0. Mga tao tagal. Diba? Mathematics is invented like mga negative numbers. In nature, hindi kang ganila in nature, which is in fact, 0 is not in nature. E kung 0, dili na 0. Si dili na number, kung hindi nga simple. Diwa man. So nga, mathematics is invented because kato, naghimot ang 0 to fit problems na para sa makuha ka. Hindi ba? Mag-usali ko na tao kung tayo sa 0. Kuha na wala na 0 answer.
Exactly our point because if we teach elementary ka na magtuturo kinatag mga bata, condition, di ba ako man na silang sampulan, i-place na to. For example, si Rizaki, i-place niya. Sa si kinahapong i-place si Erlita, o sampulan na. So, kung ano nilang gaming na 0, pwede mo lang sa tawa ako na o.
Budget pa daw kanina.
Ibutang ko si Chati Aswan, ibutang ko si Erlita, abas lang may isa na kuha niyo ng 0, tawa ko na sila ay. Di ba? So, logic guys. Hindi na kayo tulad kay Molly Pingon. Di ba? Di ba mo yung ka nang balaod ang akong mga nanay. So, di ba, musunod ka na kung wala ka nakafeel na sakto. So, di ba, musunod ka na tungod kayo nakafeel ka na sakto. Mo lang akong gibuhat ko because we feel na sakto na siya. So, again, mathematics is discovered because it is a universal truth and invention comes from discovery. Mr. Rodrigo, I think we're stuck with this question.
Napayaw ha? Diba? Ngayon kag-0, nag-discover kag-0. Was 0 invented or discovered? It was invented, right? So how about if it's not invented?
Mr. Moderator, kindly please.
Settle down.
Na, nagobot na!
May I answer that? So, lagi na, again, no? Lagi na, mabakay ko ng tao na 0 na sila. Diba, ang 0, gingon mo ganyan, na-invented ang 0, am I right? Nag-invent ang 0. Okay, so how can you invent 0 kung na-isa diha? Basic, but I multiplication works. You cannot just simply
zero, one to people, and then you have a zero here, and then hawakan mo siya because it's zero equals to zero. That's not how multiplication works in real numbers. 1 times 0 is equal to 0, but not in real people. How can Shanti and Ronald kadiha because it's times to 0. How will you explain niya ni 0 si Jam kung hawakan ra?
Okay.
So exactly our point na din kanina. Diba? 2 plus 2 will always be 4. So kung invention naman din yung mathematics, so mag-invent po kung gahong na 2 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 2 will always be 4. Again, 2 plus 2 equals? Diba?
Mr. Ronald, how will you know nga tuna si Jack na wapagay kang asabot nga, di ba, without the human exist? Without the human exist. Di ba, kung makanahin ka na nga something, it means, di ba kay numbers is, about sa mathematical is, so, mathematical concept. So, ang mathematical process is invented by human man. So, how will you know, how will you identify that thing na number 2 daw na siya without the mathematical system like that?
That is exactly our point. Because the character point is actually in our
Settle down. One
Now
more
it is the
time.
other way around.
Oh, may jitter.
It is the other way around.
Unsa?
The other way around. Lahiyangin mag-isulti ko nila sa
Yung na speaking na topic na. Okay, ang iyong manggol, the discovery. Then, ang iyong mga gipang-sulti is aligned with us. Kaya nga nung makasabot mga number 2 na si Jaw, without na, hindi pa na, wapa din na invent nga kung anong ka ng name. Diba? Diba? Yun ang kamakayin na, smoker mo, gamit si Jaw Guanke, kaya nang kung ano daw, human exist. Diba? Because, again, my point sa ginaunan, na mathematics is a language. Language is invented by people. That's why mathematics is invented, not discovered. We cannot deny the fact na invented na siya. Although, yes, it exists just in nature. Pero, ano makasagot pa ng number ko na kung na siya times, multiplication, it wala invent ang mathematics. Right, Mr. Ronald?
So to add on your argument, you said that mathematics is a language, right? So there's a theory that supports that language is innate in human being, a Platonist theory. So it possesses that human beings already has the innate, it is not invented. It is not invented because it is discovered. How? I will give you an instance. So, for example, if na ako'y uyab, and then, sa unang panahon, di ba, we use letters as a form of communication. So, kung magsuwat-suwat me, it's good thing. But, due to, iyang kapaspasol or ang iyang kadugayon na mabot sa letter mo na, dili jud clear ang communication. So, kung saan kaya akong nakita, first, what did I discover first? So, I saw that mas dugay ang communication kung letter lang ang gamiton, wherein phone is invented. It is first discovered that message is transports not that fast due to the writing ra. Pero, kung magamit na tag-invention, manatong cellphone. But first, it is from discovery and not invented solely. So, discovery is first then invented.
Okay nga, Nate. Ano ka alam ko si Nate? Nag-wait na guys. Wait, let's go back.
Okay, time is up. Now let us proceed to the final conclusion of each team. Starting with Team B. What is your conclusion?
invention of discovery.
Team B is first. State the conclusion.
Our conclusion in this argument is that mathematics is invented. It is because it is a language and the truth that governs the laws that governs the earth or the universe are only quantified and are only narrowed by the mathematical symbols that we created, the human beings created. Just like, for example, the observation of the moon, the lunar eclipse, we invented mathematics by tallying it in bones and such as that. We design mathematics to solve in different problems with different necessity. And by that, mathematics is invented.
So whether in the market, in the kitchen, or in the basketball court, mathematics works the same way for everyone, every time. So this concludes that this proves that mathematics is discovered. Because a human invention cannot force anything without a human cannot force, because a force of a human invention can play the same rules of the game. Meaning it is universal, therefore it is discovered. No matter what you say, no matter what you invented, it is discovered because it is innate in human. That's all.
Okay, so thank you Team B and Team A. So that ends our debate.